Find the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. See, the previous problem is finding the area enclosed by the circle. This is ellipse they have given. Okay. So this is also same as the previous problem, but a small changes in finding the value of y. Okay. So the formula what you are applying for the integration of the same formula even for this problem also we will apply. So you will get to know after doing this problem. Let me do this problem. I will move to the given problem. The solution. Let us see the solution of this question. I will consider the equation of the ellipse. So what they have given, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So from this equation, let us find out the value of y. So how to find out the y? Write this, take this x square by a square to right hand side. Then it becomes what? Y square by b square is equals to 1 minus x square by a square. See, we want only the y square value. So shift this denominator term to right hand side. Then it becomes, I will do here. So y square is equals to b square into, see for these two terms, I will take the LCM. The LCM is a square. So it becomes a square minus x square. I will take a square outside. So then y square is equals to b square by a square into a square minus x square. So this is what actually the y square value. What we want actually y. So therefore y can be written as b square means b by a it becomes square root of a square minus x square. Okay, by taking the root on both the side, left hand side y square we are having, square and root gets cancelled. In the right hand side b square by a square is there, so b square and a square, the root along with the root it will get cancelled, only b by a will remain. Next, root of a square minus x square. Now let me find the required area. So the required area is y is equals to, sorry, a is equals to 4 times, same as the circle. Okay, see, I am finding the area enclosed enclosed in the first quadrant. If you multiply by 4 you will get the entire area of the ellipse. So that's why 4 times integral. Even here also, see, on the x-axis the first point is 0 and the ending point is a. So limit is from 0 to a. The curve, this is what actually the curve. Okay, so the curve is ellipse equation. So integral from 0 to a, b by a, or else write down y into dx. So as you know y value, substitute over there, integral from 0 to a, b by a into root of a square minus x square. Okay, so now see here, b by a, it is a constant. I will take outside the integral. For b by a, integral from 0 to a, root of a square minus x square. So as you know the formula for root of a square minus x square, apply that formula. Let me apply. What we will get? 4 times or 4b by a into x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, limit from 0 to a. See, this is same formula. Even for the area of finding the area of a circle, you will apply the same formula. Even finding the area of the ellipse also, we will apply the same formula. Now, I will substitute the upper limit as well as the lower limit. Okay. So let me substitute. I will substitute the upper limit a wherever we are having x. So in those place, it becomes a by 2 into root of a square minus a square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of a by a. See, I applied the upper limit. Now put a negative symbol and apply the lower limit. The lower limit is 0 by 2 into root of a square minus 0 plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of 0. So whichever term will become 0, let us see first. A square minus a square means it is 0. So it becomes 0. A by a means it will get cancelled. You will get 1. Here, the 0 into anything is 0. This term becomes 0. Sine inverse 0 is 0. So the whole term becomes 0. I will write down the remaining terms. The remaining terms are 4b by a into a square by 2. Sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. Isn't it? So pi by 4 gets cancelled. 1a gets cancelled. The remaining is pi ab. Pi ab square units. So this is what actually the final answer. This is the area of the ellipse. This is how we find out the area of the ellipse using integration. Even for this question also, figure is very important. Compulsory you must write the figure. Okay, don't forget to write the figure. For writing the figure, 1 mark. Finding the y value, as you know, 1 mark. It carries 1 mark. Those 2 marks. Required area, writing the formula, 1 mark. Then integrating, 1 mark. Getting the final answer, 1 mark. Totally, it's a 5 marks question, compulsory question. Okay, I think you have got this question. I will move to the next question.